So we're here at the plant-powered market tonight, hosted by the Painted Hands Art Studio. Take a look around and see what's going on.
I am the co-owner of Painted Hands Studio. I'm the other half, I guess. I make clocks mostly, but yes, this is our store. We specialize in acrylic paint forms. And then we got our start with painting boxes. So then
Painting boxes?
Yeah.
Welcome. I am so glad I came, Rebecca.
It means a lot. It really means a lot that you're here. I appreciate you.
Thank you. I appreciate you. You're so awesome. This is like a vibe.
Yes.
You know? Like this is like
It's called Grun.
I'm getting this red juice and this green juice, freshly made. So is this made from these plants over here?
It has some of it in there,
Mhm.
like the pea and the wheatgrass. Yes, we grow ourselves. The cucumber, apples, and ginger we buy.
Sounds delicious.
We have a variety of microgreens. Most of them are organic, but all of them are non-GMO.
All right, guys, where can we find you at online?
Okay, we are on Instagram.
All right, guys, you saw it here first. Helmut.
Yes,
So you were saying that these are sugar-free and made for kids.
I have different flavors today.
Guys, we're here with Dom, and we're gonna have one of her
Jalapeno cheddar weenies.
jalapeno cheddar weenies. It smells so delicious.
So I'm Dom, I'm from Dom's Vegan. Everything that I make is from scratch. It takes me 6 days to make my weenies. I go through the hand grinding, hand stuffing, and hand curing process. So right now you guys are about to eat a jalapeno cheddar weenie, and we're about to top it with our borracho beans, which have 3 different kinds of vegan meat in there. We got vegan bacon, we got vegan chorizo, and we got our vegan weenies. And then we're gonna put our chile con queso on top of that. This chile con queso is actually really special because it's made out of potatoes and carrots, but it gives you all the cheese flavor that you're looking for. So we're gonna top our dogs with that. Make sure you guys follow me. I come up with something different every week. You get it while it's here. Once it's gone, it's gone. But I'm always bringing new flavors and new freshness to the Sun City. Be a damn Dom. Let's go.
Damn, Dom!
That's right.
Guys, we're here with Jess, and Jess is gonna tell us what she's eating.
I'm having a brat from Dom. Dom's Vegan is over there, and I can't say enough good things. This is probably like my 4th or 5th time having one of Dom's vegan treats, and this is the first time that I've had one of the beer brats, and I think this is her first time doing it, and yeah, this is delicious. So good.
I love it. Dom has amazing food.
Yeah.
What brought you out to the plant-powered market tonight?
So actually I'm a musician, and I haven't played here before. Last month I played here at the plant-powered market, so that was my first experience, and that was my first time meeting Dom too, and meeting some of the people who are out here.
Are you singing tonight, or are you going on tonight?
I'm not singing tonight, so I'm just here to support.
All right. Well, next time, I guess I'll see you next time.
Yeah, awesome. That'd be great.
And are you? Well, we're happy to have you here in El Paso, Jess, and I'm so glad you're loving it. And I hope you have a good time tonight. And I can't wait to see you do a live performance. What's the name of your band?
I just go by Jess Caps.
Jess
Jess and then Kaps.
where can we find you?
You can find me on Instagram at jess.caps.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much
For watching this video. Stay tuned because part 2 is coming very, very soon. And you definitely want to check out the other businesses that we talked to at the Plant Powered Market. Also, a new YouTube video will be coming out soon where I review everything that I bought at the Plant Powered Market. So you definitely want to check that out as well. And if you watch this video to the end, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And if you're here in El Paso, please take the time and support a local business.